Real estate investing can be tough, but at Your Property Duo, we've got you covered. Today, we would love to introduce Kipling Station Condos by CentreCourt to you. What's so great about CentreCourt is that they're one of the most active developers in the GTA. With a great track record, they currently have 9 towers under construction. That's over 4,000 suites. What's so phenomenal about CentreCourt is that they've been in the business for 12 years. In 12 years, they've brought over 10,000 units to the market. The average in the GTA is about 5,800. In the 12 years that they've been on the market, they have had 0 canceled sites and sold 19 towers. They are always fully zoned and city approved. And what is great about them as well is that with 0 days of interim occupancy, you will not have a phantom mortgage. Now that's a safe investment, I'd say. But let's get back to Kipling Station Condos. Starting in the 400s, they're priced to sell. It truly is an unmatched investment opportunity. Located in downtown Etobicoke and only minutes to Kipling Transit Hub, you'll have access to local, municipal, regional, and international transportation at your doorstep. Who needs a car when you're that well connected? You'll also be super close to Etobicoke's City Hall, which is supposed to be redeveloped with 210,000 square feet of office space, 47,000 square feet of outdoor event plaza, and 300,000 square feet podium with community spaces. With the Airport Express bus, you will be at Pearson International in 15 minutes. 50,000 people work at Pearson International Airport. Why is that important, you ask? Well, if you're looking for a great investment, this definitely makes sense. By being close to one of those big employers, you can make sure that your property can always be rented. On top of that, you will be in an area that is destined for fantastic growth. Look at the upcoming projects in this area. But let's talk about the building itself. The building will be 50 stories high, have 552 suites, and 22,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor amenities. Kipling Station Condos partnered with Cleveland Clinic that will provide residents virtual access to world-class health care. Outdoor amenities will include barbecues with dining areas, fire pits and lounge areas, garden areas, outdoor dog run spaces. Indoor amenities will include a fitness center, co-working space, and private boardrooms, as well as a hosting lounge and party room, and much more. Units are efficiently designed and will range in size from 363 square foot to 858 square feet. If you're looking for your next pre-construction home or investment, contact us at yourpropertyduo@gmail.com.
We would love to help you to find your dream property.